Hello, my dear students. How are you? I miss you so much. I hope that you are all doing great. And I know that you are all excellent and you're studying very well. And I hope that the last lesson was easy. And I know that you studied. I know that you did that because you are all excellent. Yes, last time we learned about going places. We learned how is it easy right now to go to different places. And we learned how to go to places uh, on the ground or using water or even through the air. You can use all of these to go to different places. But now I want to focus on the most things that we use in our daily life, not the things that we can use maybe once a year or once every 2 or 3 years. There are things that we use in our daily life or maybe every week or something, as we don't go out too much now during this lockdown. But in our life, there are things that we use most of the time. Let's have a look of these things. Yes, we all use the car to go to different places, right? Even if you go to school by bus, you can use the car to go to the club or to go to your aunt, your grandparents. We use the car for many things. Yes, so the most thing that we use nowadays is the car. And you remember when we mentioned last time, when you go to the club, what do you use? Yes, the bicycle, the bicycle. Yes. So the two things that we use the most nowadays are the car and the bicycle. Let's learn more about the car and the bicycle. What are the differences and similarities between them? They are, both of them, they help us go to different places, but there are some different things between the car and the bicycle. Maybe the car is faster and the bicycle needs a lot of effort from us to use it. So what makes the car easier and faster? Let's have a look at the parts of the car. Yes. Yes, let's learn about the parts of the car. What are the car parts? Yes. Now the car is bigger than the bicycle. It takes more people. So this man and this woman in the picture, they are trying to ride the bus or the car, sorry, or actually they are riding the car. So what they need to open to be able to ride the car? Yes, they will open the car door. Car door. They will open the car door to be able to ride the car. And after you ride the car, what keeps you safe inside the car as it's very fast? What will keep you safe while you are inside the car? Yes, you have to put on the seat belt. Seat belt. Yes, as you see in this picture, the four of them, they are putting on their seat belt to keep them safe. Yes. And let's have a look at this mother. What will she do to be able to make the car move? What will she hold with her hands? Yes, yes. What's the name of this? Can you guess it? Yes, it is the steering wheel. Steering wheel. We hold the steering wheel in order to to help us while we are moving with the car. So this is the steering wheel, steering wheel. So let's revise the car parts one more time. Yes, we ride the car when we open the car door. So we have to open the car door in order to be able to ride the car. And now we rode the car, so we have to keep ourselves safe. So we will put on that seat belt, seat belt, seat belt. Yes. And the car is now moving. How will I be able to move it very well? Yes, I'll use the steering wheel. The steering wheel. Yes, that's true. Now we know the parts of the car. Let's have a look at the bicycle. What are the parts of the bicycle? Bicycle. Let's learn about the bicycle parts. Yes, first of all, in the bicycle, there is no steering wheel. You hold it with your hands. You hold this front part with your hands. So you hold the handlebar, handlebar. This front bar that you hold with your hand is a handle bar to be able to ride the bicycle. And there is only one small seat in the bicycle. So on the bicycle, it doesn't take many people, only one person. So the bicycle has one small seat. So this is the seat of the bicycle, okay? Yes, and now you want the bicycle to move. What will you do with your legs? You will move the pedal, pedal. Yes, you have to move the pedal with your legs to be able to ride the bicycle. Yes, let's have a look again at the parts of the bicycle. Yes, this first part we said we hold it with our hands. It's a handlebar, handlebar, handlebar. Yes. And we sit on the seat. It has one small seat for one person. And I want the bicycle to move, so I will use my legs to move the pedal, pedal, pedal to make the bicycle move. Okay? Now, I want you to sum up what we said through this lesson about the car and the bicycle. Yes, here in these two circles, we will write the differences and the similarities of the bicycle and the car. Can you see the left and the right parts of the circles? The parts that are somehow alone, away from each other? Here, we will write the differences between the car and the bicycle. In the middle, we will write the similarities. As you see, the two circles are like hugging each other. So here we will write the similarities, and the other parts will write the differences. Okay, let's sum up the parts of the car and the bicycle. As you see, yes, you saw. Now here we will write the differences. Let's see, what does the car have? Let's sum it up. Yes, So, yes, we said that the car has a steering wheel. We move the car with the steering wheel, and we move the bicycle with our leg. We use the pedal. We move the pedal with our legs to let the bicycle move. Yes. Yes. In the car, we have a door. We open the door to ride the car. But in the bicycle, there is no door. It's only one small seat to one person. Yes. In the car, we put on the seat belt to keep us safe. But in the bicycle, we hold the handlebars with our hands. And can you guess what are the common things between the car and the bicycle? Mm, yes, both of them are land transport. They move on the land. They let us move to different places or travel to different places, but on land. They do not move on the water or through air. Both of them are land transport. They move on the land or the ground. Yes. And yes, last lesson we said that the car and the bicycle have wheels. The only difference that the number of the wheels. The bicycle have 2 wheels and the car have 4 wheels, but both of them, they move on the ground using the wheels. Yes, that's true. Let's revise again the differences and the similarities between the car and the bicycle. Yes, so the car has a steering wheel. Steering wheel. Yes. The bicycle has pedal. 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 Yes, correct. And we ride the car using the door. 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 The bicycle have one seat. Seat. If you want to keep yourself safe in the car, you will put on the seat belt. Seat belt. Seat belt. But in the bicycle, you will hold the handlebar. 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 Yes. And we said the common things are both of them, they are land transport and they have wheels. Yes. So now I want you to study the words of the car and the bicycle very well. You can write them down when you have a look at this lesson. Write them down in a paper and write also the differences and the common things between the car and the bicycle. While you are studying, you will not study by only reading. You have to write them down in a paper, and then you will do your homework after studying them very well. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I know that you are all excellent and you will study very, very well because you are all clever boys and girls, and I can't wait to see you again at school. Thank you so much, year one. Have a nice day. Goodbye.